Alright, this is me fooling around with Dead Rising. It's gonna be my first video, and I'm pretty excited about this. New game, why not? Start game, 72 hour mode. So there we are, 11:27 a.m., but it's 12:15 a.m. here, so they're like in California or something, or, you know, whatever. Alright, big helicopter scene I can care less about. There's Frank, he's a pretty ugly guy. Just look at him. Who would want to get with that? Ugh. Right, let's take some pictures, why not? Forgot, how does this work? Okay, X. I've played this before, sadly. I just forgot the controls. Oh. Nah. That's a good one. This is a ride I haven't seen. Skip it. That was fun. That was fun. He's ugly. He just look at him. He's just hideous. Alright, downstairs we go. I realized how to play this game. Yeah! 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 Yeah. Yeah, you don't use this hallway again until like late in the game. Oh my god. And there we go. Yeah, for every like 1 minute in this in real life, there's been like 5 minutes in this game, so I don't know how the time works out, but it does. She's ugly. You just see it.
He's probably hiding somewhere, shitting his pants like a chump. Well, a pussy like him can make a decent shit to get his on.
Take as many pictures of these guys as you can, get achievements.
I'll be with you the whole time, so don't worry.
Let's see, I'm trying to get all the survivors on the picture. Hold on. Yeah. Why'd she pick a Madonna? She's not a very good singer, honestly. I better hurry. Hey! You have the same name as I do. I want to skip cutscenes to save time. Ah! My mom! It's my family. Taste it! Fear the bench of death. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, watch out! Well, I just killed it, dude. Just stay back, I have a bench. Alright, I'm out of here. Run, Frank, run! Yeah. The shotgun back there, I don't care. And there we are. Right up the stairs in one piece. Okay. So let's go get some coffee creamer. Yeah! Coffee creamer? Apple. Fend myself with an apple. Ugh. Well, that concludes this first part. But first of all, jump up, and get down. Jump, 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 jump. I don't like this song, but oh well. You better stay back, Otis, or I'll beat you to death with this apple.